Hello students, welcome to another class on algebra. In today's class, we're going to learn how to remove brackets, removing brackets. What does it mean to remove a bracket? We use every term outside the bracket to multiply each term in the bracket. Let's cite an example as follows. I have 2 and I have x plus y in bracket and asked to remove the bracket. How do I remove the bracket in this expression? I will multiply every term outside or inside the bracket by the term outside the bracket. So 2 multiply x, then 2 multiply y. That gives 2x plus 2y. That is your answer. You've been able to remove the bracket. Another example on this. Remove bracket from minus 3x, x minus y. We have to remove brackets from minus 3x in bracket x minus y. To remove these brackets, like I said earlier, you multiply each term in the bracket by the term on the outside of the bracket. So let's do that again. So we have minus 3x times x. That is the first part. Then you have minus 3x times minus y. So we have minus 3. These are terms that you are multiplying in x. So we write minus 3, then x times x will give you x squared. Then you have minus times minus plus 3x times y. 3xy. That is the answer. That is how to remove bracket. To remove the bracket, you do what? You multiply each term in the bracket by the term outside the bracket. So students, I would advise that you do what? You spend more time solving questions on removing of brackets and all the other things we've done under algebra. That includes how to use letters and how to simplify terms by grouping. See you in the next class.